new journey of dreams. Zhuhai Joinet Technology Development Company Limited, founded in 2001 in the Zhuhai Special Economic Zone, is a member enterprise of Joinet Technology Group. It is a national high-tech enterprise and a specialized, refined, and innovative company, focusing on the manufacturing and technological innovation application of RFID UHF and NFC-HF tags. It ranks among the top 5 RFID tag enterprises in China, with an annual production of RFID UHF and NFC-HF tags exceeding 1 billion pieces, and its shipment volume of NFC-HF tags is at the forefront of the industry. Comprehensive Scenario R&D. The Innovation Laboratory has over 100 RFID technology copyrights and patents, and is a provincial-level and municipal-level IoT RFID Engineering Technology Center. The senior R&D team has long focused on user pain points and researched cutting-edge RFID technologies, providing customized solutions for UHF and HF RFID technology scenarios. It has built a public platform integrating R&D, design, reading, writing, and testing for RFID tags and RFID intelligent terminals in the industry, promoting continuous R&D and innovation of RFID RF technology, accelerating the transformation of RFID technology achievements, and contributing to the development of new quality productive forces in the industry. New quality productive forces. Joinet Technology has constructed a production base exceeding 40,000 square meters, equipped with advanced machinery such as the American HP 6900 industrial-grade digital printer, the Italian OMET 12-color flexographic label printing press, an RFID chip reverse packaging production line, and an RFID tag lamination production line. Additionally, the facility includes fully automatic RFID tag reading and testing equipment among other high-end devices. We have established a comprehensive production and research system that covers every stage from the R&D design, experimentation, and testing of RFID tags to the finalization of production processes, RFID chip binding and encapsulation, data customization writing, and personalized printing and packaging. This system is supported by a veteran production and research team from the RFID industry, ensuring the delivery of high-quality products. Exploring the new future. While promoting the rapid development of the Internet of Things, RFID technology has also propelled the evolution of its applications. It is now widely used in various industries, including apparel retail, supermarket and department store management, warehousing and logistics, healthcare, asset management, anti-counterfeiting and traceability, library and archival management, smart home, intelligent home appliances, electronic consumption, sports, and health. Joinet Technology is committed to providing one-stop RFID RF technology services to global customers. Our vision is to become an explorer of innovative applications of RFID technology, and our mission is to empower work efficiency with RFID technology innovation.